Hello and welcome to the Docker for Beginners course. My name is Mumshad Manambat and I will be your instructor for this course. I'm a DevOps and cloud trainer at codecloud.com, which is an interactive hands-on online learning platform. I've been working in the industry as a consultant for over 13 years and have helped hundreds of thousands of students learn technology in a fun and interactive way. In this course, you will learn Docker through a series of lectures that use animation, illustration, and some fun analogies that simplify complex concepts. We have demos that will show you how to install and get started with Docker. And most importantly, we have hands-on labs that you can access right in your browser. I will explain more about it in a bit, but first, let's look at the objectives of this course. In this course, we first try to understand what containers are, what Docker is, and why you might need it, and what it can do for you. We will see how to run a Docker container, how to build your own Docker image. We will see networking in Docker and how to use Docker Compose, what Docker registry is, how to deploy your own private registry, and we then look at some of these concepts in depth and we try to understand how Docker really works under the hoods. We look at Docker for Windows and Mac before finally getting a basic introduction to container orchestration tools like Docker Swarm and Kubernetes. Here's a quick note about hands-on labs. First of all, to complete this course, you don't have to set up your own labs. Well, you may set it up if you wish to have your own environment, and we have a demo as well. But as part of this course, we provide real labs that you can access right in your browser, anywhere, anytime, and as many times as you want. The labs give you instant access to a terminal, to a Docker host, and an accompanying quiz portal. The quiz portal asks a set of questions, such as exploring the environment and gathering information, or you might be asked to perform an action such as run Docker container. The quiz portal then validates your work and gives you feedback instantly. Every lecture in this course is accompanied by such challenging interactive quizzes that makes learning Docker a fun activity. So, I hope you're as thrilled as I am to get started, so let us begin.